Are you intrigued by the idea of making passive income on YouTube without creating videos or showing your face? Imagine earning thousands of dollars per month while someone else does the content creation for you. This is where YouTube automation comes in. In this video, you will find a comprehensive guide on YouTube automation for beginners. This step-by-step tutorial will take you from zero to a profitable YouTube channel, all without the need for video production skills or on-camera presence. You'll discover how to build a team of content creators who will handle the entire content creation process for your channel. By leveraging systems, processes, and people, you can generate income from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, brand deals, and more. YouTube automation offers vast income potential, allowing you to scale your channels and earn money while you sleep. Additionally, this business model provides the freedom to work from anywhere in the world with just a few hours of weekly management. Let's start. In this tutorial, we'll discuss the importance of niche selection, the benefits of a focused audience, and how to conduct effective research to find the ideal niche for your channel. Number 1. Understanding the importance of niche selection. Choosing a niche is like deciding what boat to row in, as Warren Buffett once said. While success is possible in any niche, selecting the right one from the beginning can save you time, money, and energy. A well-chosen niche allows you to build a sustainable fan base and increase the likelihood of attracting advertisers who are willing to pay more to reach your target audience. Number 2. Building a real audience. A focused niche helps you build a loyal fan base that consistently watches and engages with your videos. When viewers know what to expect from your channel, they are more likely to subscribe and watch all your content. This creates a valuable audience that generates consistent revenue through YouTube AdSense, brand deals, and other monetization methods. Number 3. Conducting niche research. Research is essential to finding the perfect niche for your YouTube automation channel. Here's how you conduct effective research. The first is to identify your interests and passions. Start by brainstorming topics that genuinely interest you. Consider your hobbies, expertise, and areas of passion. Choosing a niche aligned with your interests will make it easier to create content and stay motivated in the long run. The second is to analyze audience demand and competition. Use keyword research tools and YouTube analytics to understand the demand for different niches. Look for niches with a substantial search volume and a manageable level of competition. Finding a balance between demand and competition is key to positioning your channel for success. Lastly, evaluate potential revenue. Consider the revenue potential of different niches. Certain niches attract advertisers willing to pay higher CPM rates, resulting in higher AdSense revenue. Research the types of advertisers that are likely to target your niche and their willingness to invest in YouTube ads. Choosing the perfect niche for your YouTube automation channel is a crucial step in building a successful and profitable business. By focusing on a specific niche, you can build a loyal audience, attract advertisers willing to pay more, and increase your YouTube AdSense revenue. Remember to conduct thorough research, align your niche with your interests, and test the market before committing. With the right niche, you can set your YouTube automation channel on the path to success. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps and considerations to assemble a team of talented and reliable professionals who will turn your ideas into reality. By leveraging the skills and expertise of freelancers, you can scale your channel efficiently and focus on the business aspects while ensuring high-quality content production. Number 1. Defining roles and responsibilities. The first step in building your dream team is to define the specific roles and responsibilities required for your YouTube automation channel. Identify the key areas such as script writing, voiceover, video editing, and thumbnail design. Each role plays a crucial part in creating engaging and visually appealing content. Clearly outline the tasks and skills needed for each role to streamline the hiring process. Number 2. Finding and hiring freelancers. To find skilled freelancers, you can utilize various platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. These platforms provide access to a vast pool of talented professionals from around the world. Look for freelancers with relevant experience, positive reviews, and a strong portfolio. Take the time to review their previous work and assess their suitability for your channel's requirements. Number 3. Establishing effective communication. Clear and efficient communication is vital for successful collaboration with your freelancers. Set up communication channels such as email, project management tools, or instant messaging platforms to facilitate seamless interactions. Establish expectations regarding response times, work updates, and feedback exchange to ensure everyone is on the same page. Number 4. Managing workflow and deadlines. Efficient workflow management is essential to meet content production deadlines consistently. Set realistic timelines for each stage of content creation and establish clear expectations regarding deliverables. Utilize project management tools to track progress, assign tasks, and ensure smooth coordination among team members. Regularly communicate updates and address any challenges or bottlenecks promptly. Number 5. Providing ongoing support and growth opportunities. Invest in the growth and development of your freelancers to foster long-term loyalty and commitment. Offer training resources, workshops, or access to industry insights to enhance their skills and keep them updated on the latest trends. Recognize and reward exceptional performance to motivate and retain your talented members. By defining roles, hiring skilled professionals, fostering effective communication, nurturing relationships, managing workflows, and providing ongoing support, you can create a collaborative and successful environment that produces high-quality content consistently. Remember, your team is the backbone of your channel's success, so invest time and effort in building and maintaining it. Now, let's turn our attention to the main topic, creating revenue-generating videos. We'll walk you through the process of producing engaging and high-quality content that will generate views and revenue for your channel. Whether you're new to YouTube automation or looking to improve your video production skills, this tutorial will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips. Number 1. Define your video strategy. Before you start creating videos, it's essential to have a clear video strategy in place. Determine the goals of your channel, identify your target audience, and understand the niche you're operating in. Research successful channels in your niche to gather inspiration and ideas for your content. Number 2. Plan your video content. Planning is crucial for creating compelling videos. Start by brainstorming video ideas and outlining the structure and flow of each video. Consider incorporating a mix of educational, entertaining, and informative content to keep your viewers engaged. Create a content calendar to stay organized and ensure a consistent upload schedule. Number 3. Scripting and storyboarding. Writing a script is an effective way to ensure a smooth delivery of your content. Outline key points, include relevant examples, and add a touch of personality to make your videos engaging. Once you have a script, create a storyboard to visualize the shots, transitions, and any additional visuals or graphics you plan to include. Number 4. Editing your video. Editing plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall quality of your videos. Use video editing software to trim unnecessary footage, add transitions, incorporate graphics or animations, and optimize audio levels. You can also include text overlays, captions, and end screens to enhance viewer engagement and promote your channel. Number 5. Thumbnail design and video optimization. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video's content and attract viewers' attention. Optimize your video's title, description, and tags using relevant keywords to improve searchability and increase the chances of your video being recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Number 7. Uploading and publishing. Once your video is edited and optimized, it's time to upload it to your YouTube automation channel. Select an engaging thumbnail, write a compelling video description, and choose appropriate tags. Set the video to public or schedule it for release at a specific time to align with your content calendar. Number 8. Engaging with your audience. As your video starts gaining views and comments, make it a priority to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Building a strong connection with your audience will foster loyalty and help grow your channel. Remember to continuously refine your video production skills, experiment with different content formats, and stay up to date with the latest trends in your niche. With dedication, consistency, and high-quality videos, you can achieve success and generate revenue through your YouTube automation venture. If you like this video, you're in for a treat with another one to help you learn how to achieve financial freedom.